Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to delete Aliexpress account on app. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to your Aliexpress apps and now tap on account icon. After that, you have to go to your setting, which is the gear icon at the top right. Now in the settings page, you have to tap on profile. In this profile page, in the bottom, you will see delete account. You just have to tap on it now. Scroll it down to the bottom and tap on delete my account here. And now you will receive 6 digits for verification code to your email. And yeah, here you are. You just have to type the code. And now tap on submit. And if you're sure, you just have to tap delete account here, the red button. But if you change your mind, you just have to tap the blue button, which is don't delete. And here I'm gonna tap on delete account. And yeah, when you go back to this home page, that means your account is already gone. You can check it by tap the account icon. So guys, just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.